Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use the split function and how to use the format function. As you can see, my mouse pointer here on the top corner of the Power Query editor, we have the split function as well as the format function. I will be taking you through how to use the split column and format function through the Power Query editor. I have the customers table here and I have certain columns here. Let me take the email columns. If you click on the split column, you have certain options here that you can do on your data. You can split by delimiter. So let me show you how to split your column data by delimiter, right? When I click a delimiter here, the delimiter can be any kind of character. It opens a window here once you click the delimiter, and you have here select or enter the delimiter. The delimiter, first of all, you need to decide what is your delimiter. In my case, I'm going to see the @ symbol. I am going to split the column based on the @ symbol. So let me show you on the phone column how to do split column by position. So position here, I'm going to ask our query to split based on the position of the character. Right, you will have to give a numeric data here. You have to specify what is the position number. So specify the positions at which you want to split the text data. So I will give position 2, and I'm going to leave this as it is, advanced option. Like I already told you, it is splitting through columns, and that is the default. So I'll go ahead and click OK. So here you can see that it is split. My column is split based on the first 2 characters. That is, it is removed the first 2 characters and it is retained the rest of the character, right? So this is about split based on the position. So when you give by position, there is chance of your data getting lost, right? So please use it according to your requirement. So let's go to the next one, that is by lowercase to uppercase. So this option, to show you that, let me go to the address column. So here in the address column, we have a combination of lowercase and lowercase options here. So let me show you how can we do by uppercase to lowercase. So you can see here this data. I have the uppercase as M here in the main word, and after the M, which is in uppercase, I have the rest of it as the lowercase, right? If you want to split the column in this way, then use the uppercase to lowercase splitting. So let me go ahead and show you by uppercase to lowercase. Right away, it's going to give me the data. It's going to split until the 5 columns. So here it's going to split by the first uppercase from the left hand side, and whatever data comes after that, it's going to split it, right? So this is how it's going to perform the left hand. This is how it's going to do the uppercase to lowercase split from the left hand side. Let me quickly cancel this and show you the next one, that is by digit to non-digit. When you say by digit to non-digit, it is by digit is nothing but your Power Query will start checking from the left hand side where your digit is there. That's where your number is present in the column. Wherever your number is present, from there to the next digit, to the next non-digit, that is where it is going to split, right? So I'll consider the same address column here, and I will see here it is 1, 2, 3. My 3 is the digit and main is the non-digit. So let me give split by digit to non-digit, and you can see here that it has done the splitting based on the number, and just after the number, whatever characters have come, that is what is got split into a separate column, right? So this is how you can do the digit to non-digit. You can do the same thing from non-digit to digit. As I don't have any data which is in this column which has got non-digit to a digit, so you can try in your own data set if you have this, right? So yeah, I do have a column here, order details. So you can see from the non-digit, it's going to split to where there is a digit. So wherever your non-digit and digit starts, so that difference is where it's going to split. So after the non-digit, I have a number, right? So from then on, it is got split. Everything is considered from the left-hand side, right? So this is about split column. I hope you have liked this video, and thanks for watching. Do stay tuned for more such videos. Thanks for listening, and see you in the next video.